If you have finding it difficult to make payment to your Chinese supplier with Pinduoduo shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can actually make use of service of Pay for Me on Pinduoduo shopping app and import from China without any stress. So let's pay. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Salva or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step-by-step guide on how you can use service of Pay for Me and import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to access Pay for Me option from Pinduoduo to Alipay. So like this person right here wants me to pay this sum of 79.19 yuan with Pinduoduo and Alipay. First thing you have to do is to make sure you head over to Alipay. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on your chat box right here, your message box. Then this is the person that want me to pay for them. So I'm going to click on that. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with payment. And to click on here. And I need to click on here to confirm. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Now I'm going to screenshot this particular payment page and I'll head over back to my WhatsApp and send it to the person that want me to pay for them on Pinduoduo shopping app. So right here, this is the proof of payment. So payment done successful on Pinduoduo. So this is how to do payment or Pay for Me on Pinduoduo with Alipay step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.